Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. W Coin NFT pre-market heats up. Here's what you need to know. The buzz around W Coin NFT pre-market is reaching new heights. After a minor technical hiccup, the team wasted no time fixing things up, proving once again their commitment to a smooth and seamless experience. Now, with everything running at full throttle, the excitement is bigger than ever. Glitch? Fixed. Now, full speed ahead. Sharp-eyed community members recently spotted an issue with the active mates requirement, which caused some users to see incorrect status displays. But no need to panic. The W Coin dev team jumped into action and squashed the glitch in record time. Now, status checks are working flawlessly, ensuring a fair and transparent process for everyone. This rapid response only reinforces W Coin's dedication to efficiency, transparency, and user experience. With the NFT pre-market back on track, anticipation is at an all-time high. W Coin Airdrop, play it smart, play it bold. A quick heads up, the NFT pre-market and the W Coin Airdrop are separate events, each with its own rules and rewards. If you're after W Coin pre-market vouchers, make sure you're following the correct process. And if you're eyeing the W Coin Airdrop, stay sharp, different eligibility criteria apply. The compensation prize for the airdrop could be a game-changer. Strategy, patience, and positioning will be key. Keep your eyes on the prize and don't let this golden opportunity slip by. Mark your calendars. W Coin listing drops February 25th. Big news! The W Coin listing date has been rescheduled for February 25th. Why the delay? Because timing is everything. The team is making final refinements to ensure the launch maximizes liquidity, market impact, and visibility. This move signals W Coin's focus on long-term success, stability, growth, and a powerful market debut are the priorities. If you're already in the ecosystem, get ready for action. If not, this might be your last chance to secure your position before the big launch. Final take: W Coin NFT pre-market is ready for liftoff. With technical hurdles cleared, a robust airdrop strategy in place, and a meticulously planned listing ahead, W Coin is primed for an explosive debut. The dev team's dedication to quality is shining through, and the community is rallying behind them.